Hey there, this is Mrs. J, and today I wanted to show you how to use the snipping tool to successfully turn in your geometrics assignments. Okay, so you're going to want to have your Fusion open, complete all of the requests for your question, and this one asked me to run some fillets and do some rounds around this part, so I did some fillets here. Okay, so let's say you're all done and you're showing your work. Make sure you actually highlight what you've done. Come down to the bottom of your computer screen and look for the scissors. If you don't find them right here, you want to come over to the search bar and type in snip, S-N-I-P, and it'll pop up. It's the same thing. Click it, and it should bring you to something like this. Once you click on the scissor, I want to left click, then I want to go away from my object, and I want to left click and drag, making sure that I show my initials in the top right corner before I drag down. Okay, so I've got my object, I've got my initials. I don't need the whole board, I just need this. I'm going to let go by not clicking. I'm going to show my initials here. And then all you have to do, this is the part where people are getting stuck, is edit, copy, and then go to your Google Drive. I am not logged in. Yes, I am. Go to your Google Drive, use your folder that you have created for this class, and you should have a nice new slideshow. You can always right click and make a new one. And after you've picked your theme and you know what you're going to do, let's pick a simple theme, make a new slide, save one for the title. Go on your slide and just right click. You don't even have to do that. Just Control V on your keyboard, Control V, paste, or right click, paste. And you can do that for each one. If you needed to crop it, you double click it and you can change the size. Cropping it removes material. So don't do that if you're just trying to resize it. Escape. If you're just trying to resize it, grab the corners, not the sides, not the top. Grab any one of the corners and go diagonal. Then move your object. And you should be good to go. Present it full screen, make sure it can be seen, initials, and that no blurriness. Thanks for watching.